Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar right here, and I do not see the timer listed, but that's okay. Let's open the settings. So let's tap on this icon right here in the right upper corner, and as you can see now we've got the timer, so let's tap. In this device we've got 3 different options, so off, 10 and 3 seconds delay, and if it comes to delay we've got only 2, so let me choose 10 seconds delay for example. Just tap on the option back to use. I'll choose 10 seconds. It is immediately, the icon changed, so we can always check whether we've got the timer set or not. Unfortunately here we do not have any kind of indicator that we've got the timer set. So now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course if you want to you can turn off this option. Just tap on this settings icon again and tap on the timer and tap on this crossed out icon and it will be turned off. Let's tap on it again, and as you can see your device will take photos immediately after tapping on the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.